How to use a PS5 controller on Forza Horizon 6. To use a PS5 controller in Forza Horizon 6, you'll need to install a program called DS4 Windows. This tool allows PlayStation controllers, including the PS5 DualSense controller, to work properly on PC games. First, open your browser and search for DS4 Windows. Open the official website and click the Download button in the top right corner. You may see a few pop-ups along the way. Simply close them and continue to the download page. Scroll down and click the latest download link, then click Download, again to save the file. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded zip file. Right-click it and select Extract All, then extract the files to your preferred location. After extraction, open the new folder and launch DS4 Windows. When prompted, choose where you want your profiles and settings to be saved. Select Program folder to continue. Next, the driver setup window will appear. Make sure DualShock 4 and DualSense PS5 controller support are enabled. You can leave the other options at their default settings. Close the setup window and click Yes. When prompted, you will then need to install the required Vigembus driver. Click Install driver and wait for the installation to finish. Once the driver is installed, the remaining options are optional and can be skipped. Connect your PS5 controller to your PC, launch Forza Horizon 6, and your controller should now work correctly in the game. That's it! If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.